you're starting.
Mr. Bruce Aaron Rasmussen, and wanted us to learn, and I, Everett Thomas.
Sterling McCall.
Triston from his 6th period chemistry class.
Good job.
Chapter 12.
In Chapter 12, we learned about how to apply the conversion factors and skills that we learned from the previous chapters to stoichiometry, which for me was really difficult, and I still don't know how to do it, but we're past that, and it doesn't really matter anymore.
Stoichiometry is the calculation of quantities and chemical reactions. I still don't know how to do it.
I got stoichiometry to a pretty good level. I'm learning this class to a B.
In Chapter 13, we learned about the natures of each form of matter, gas, liquid, and solids. We learned how the Kelvin temperature of a substance is directly proportional to the average kinetic energy in the particles of gas. I also learned that when you heat something, the pressure goes up, like in the canned beans.
There are also different allotropes of each crystal system. Simple cubic, body-centered cubic, and face-centered cubic.
We also learned that the atmospheric pressure at the different altitudes affect the boiling point of liquids.
You done? Alright, okay. Chapter 14, I learned about the different types of gas, like the Gay-Lussac's law, Charles' law, and Boyle's law. I learned that when a gas is under pressure, the reason it has, like, the pressure builds is because the particles are closer together, so they bounce off each other more.
We also learned about 4 different gas laws in Section 2, and in Section 3, the ideal gas law, which is an equation PV equals nRT.
We also learned that the amount of a gas, the volume of a gas, and the temperature of a gas are all factors that affect the gas pressure.
Well, that's it.
Yeah,
Thank you,
that's what we learned.
Mr. Bruce Aaron Rasmussen.
All right, I got a question for you. In the PVNRT, what's the P stand for?
Pressure.
What's the V stand for?
Volume?
And the N?
You got me.
Help them. Number of
Particles.
moles. Number of moles. And how about the R? That's a constant, isn't it?
A ratio.
8.31, yeah. And then the T?
Time. Temperature. I was close.
Let's hear it for them.